Hello everyone, welcome to B1 Engineering Placements. So today that I'm going to be discussing with you the Tata Consultancy Services Group's conducting test, that is National Qualified Test 2021. So we'll have the discussion on this important dates, the syllabus and some of the preparation tips and the elements in this NQT test and who can apply that all the elements that I'm going to be discussing with you. So let us start a big task in this one. So TCS NQT 2021. So if you want to know what is a TCS, it's an Indian multinational information technology based services providing company, and it's a business solutions and consultancy companies. All kind of the services it is providing, along with this information technology, other allied as well as the another related businesses are also which is having by this TCS, and where its headquarters is in Mumbai, Maharashtra, which is this is the organization that is conduct operating in 44 countries and has 199 branches across the world, and it is one of the subsidiary of a prestigious Tata Group Industries. So it is listed on this Bombay Stock Exchange as well as National Stock Exchange, and as well as in this NYSE New York Stock Exchanges are also it has listed. So let us discuss about this particular element. And presently there is a vacancies for the position of there are multiple positions they have announced in this one, and for this one, the degree needed is BTech, BE, ME, MTech, MSc, and MCA. So here, both are same. In some states, it will be called as BE, Bachelor of Engineering. In some states, it will be called as BTech and Master of Engineering and Master of Technology. So both are either BE or BTech, ME or MTech, MSc Computer Science, especially MSc Computer Science specialization, and MCA. So this is the degree that you required for this current vacancy positions, and the passed outs batch of 2019, 20, 21, and 22. So the students who are in the final year stage, so at the fourth years also can apply for this job. And the job location is across the India, and experience levels of 0 to 3 years can also apply for this one, and its salary is the best in industry and best working place for this one, and last day to apply this for this post is 10th February 2021, and the test dates will be from on 18th and 19th February 2021. So job location will be of across the India that I have told you, right? Presently, there is a more requirement for this vacancies in Pune, Mumbai, Bangalore, Nagpur, Hyderabad, Coimbatore, Chennai, Gurgaon, Delhi, and Noida. In all these places, there is a current requirement is there. And once if we wants to know about the national qualification test, it's a multi-level assessment to assess the competencies of the candidates. So in terms of the verbal as well as communicational and aptitude knowledge of the persons. So here, what's the benefit of this one? Unlike the other company examinations, so once if a student has got NQT score in this examination, that will be valid for 2 years. So if he has this score, and suppose for example in this examination he has scored a good score and failed in interview like HR levels and that one, and next time he need not to attend this particular test, directly whenever the vacancies announces they can apply for this, they can directly appear for this next level of the interviews. And moreover, one more benefit with this NQT score is, so if he has the NQT score, National Qualification Test, other companies which is having an MOU with this TCS can also offers them for this interview, direct interview, by skipping this entrance exam, entrance test. So that is the importance or the benefit of this NQT test. So once if we see this one, so this score will be divided into two elements. So one is industry NQT score as well as the another one is subject NQT score. So the subject NQT score is based on the knowledge of the coding as well as subject knowledge, and industry NQT score is based on the arithmetic, reasoning and English communicational skills. So based on this one, this NQT score will be divided into two factors. One is based on the industry NQT score as well as the subject NQT score. So that is the NQT scores benefits and the segregations of the NQT scores. So once if we see, so this TCS National Qualification Test is a combination of the ability test as well as the subjects test, and based on this attitude and English language skills for the candidates. Next, the most important elements we have to note is it is a mandatory test to take register for an industry or subject NQT. So compulsory, the candidates has to score the NQT test scores. So it's a cognitive skills as well as these verbal skills are going to be analyzing in this NQT scores. So all the tests will be given in English language only, and there will be no negative marking. So this is an advantage for the candidates. And the candidates who has appeared for the NQT test in October 2020 can also reappear in February 2021. Most of the companies won't allow to reappear for these interviews and the examinations, but this TCS will provide the facility of appearing the multiple times, and in all upcoming tests also they can apply. Candidates who have an NQT score at the cognitive skills may choose any test from the industry NQTs or the subject NQTs. So which means if they have scored a good number of marks, then they can choose either industry NQT, that is non-IT related industries they can choose. So for example, if he has any MBA background and in his UG if he has BTech, and if he has scored NQT score very well, then they can apply for this another non-IT based jobs in under NQT test. So if it is based on the information technology base, then it will be called as subject NQT. Then candidates will be able to view, edit their details and add some test pertaining in this whenever they are applying for this NQT test. So those who select the higher level skills will not to allow select its basic variant. So for example, so if the candidate choose the subject NQT IT performing, then he or she will not be able to choose subject NQT, so basic computer science. So once if you have chosen industry NQT, then you will be restricted to that one only. So if you have selected for the subject NQT, then you have allowed for the subject NQT only. So there is no chance of applying for both industry as well as subject. So either we can apply for the industry NQT or subject NQT. So only one chance is there for this one. And if you see the mode of conduction for this TCS NQT 2021 test is, it is conducting at online, the home only, or sometimes it is a physical. In some centers they will give you. So both the modes they can conduct these examinations with the 2 years validity of NQT score. So and apply for any entry level role in any corporates with this NQT score, they can apply with this score. So that's the one. And national qualification test patterns, one's most important one is it has 92 questions that have to be answered in 180 minutes. So for each question solving, there is not more than 1 minute. And it will comprises of the verbal abilities, reasoning ability, and numerical ability. So that is arithmetic, reasoning, as well as this English language vocabulary related questions they will ask in this one. So all this one, most maximum weightage will be given to reasoning ability, and next weightage has given to numerical ability, and verbal ability 30 minutes. And this is the duration and the number of questions they are asking under this TCS NQT test. And it will be, as we have already discussed, it is comprising of English, quantitative aptitude, and programming concepts and coding are also. So in the verbal ability, within 30 minutes duration, they will ask 24 questions. Reasoning ability, 50 and 30 marks, they will 30 number of questions. Number ability, 40 minutes in 26 questions. Programming logic, 15 minutes duration with the 10 questions they'll ask. Coding, for the coding, they'll give you 45 minutes of time with the two questions will be given, and total 180 minutes, and the candidate has to attempt 92 questions in this 180 minutes. So that is the pattern of the exam conduction. Once if we see the verbal ability, so what kind of questions they will ask is, this section is going to be, as we have told, 24 questions in 30 minutes. So out of this one, in this verbal ability, they'll ask about the sentence correction or completion of the, in a full sentence, any part will be missed. That part they will ask you to fill, and jumbling, close passages, vocabulary, phrasal verbs, idioms, voices, forms of speeches, so etc. will be asked in this verbal ability. And the reasoning ability, so they will give you about this blood relation related questions, data arrangements related questions, coding, decoding, series and visual reasoning related questions, data interpretation, data sufficiency, clocks and calendar based questions, cubes and direction sense based questions, so logical connectives and syllogisms based questions, Venn diagrams, inequalities. So these based questions they will ask you as this B1 engineering placements. You are working regarding this solving of such kind of problems. Already we have provided blood relations, coding and decoding related, clocks, calendar related videos are all there. Then you can refer them for the basics. And in the third section, that is in the numerical ability, there is a combination of permutations and combinations, number systems, probability based questions, time, speed and distance based questions, equations, geometry, mensuration and progression, ratios and proportions, functions, logarithms, graphs, clocks, direction sense, profits and loss, averages, mixtures and allegations raised questions, puzzles, physics related questions, basic conversations related questions. In the numerical ability they will ask, there is a chance to ask. And regarding this programming logic, so this based on this C, C++, Java related questions, they will ask you the operators, looping statements, controlling statements, arrays and strings, functions, as well as OOPS based questions, STL or objective modeling, compiler design, threading, data structures, as well as this recursions. These related questions there is a chance to ask in this programming logic one. For this year, all this prepare on pseudocoding as well as algorithms and basic software development cycles are most expected questions for this particular year. And in the coding section also 2 questions they will be given, and with the 45 minutes, and most of the again the first question will be given for 15 minutes of time with a moderate ability level, and the second question will be of 30 minutes they will be given, and this will be based on C, C++, Java, Python 2.7 and Perl language based questions. So you are expected to be a master in fundamentals of the programming languages, and under TCS Ninja coding is also they're conducting for this one. So it is 2020 freshers as well as 2021 freshers are also can recruitment for these processes, and the students at third year also can apply because this will be valid for 2 years. So this they can also apply. And TCS Ninja 2021 will be conducts for this coding, and digital hiring 21 are discussed below. Online test, technical interview, overall, the test will be of online test, technical interview, managerial interview, and HR interview. So this online test is called as NQT. So once a person has cleared this one, then he will be asked to attend this technical interview. So in this online test, already we have discussed how to apply and what are the questions they'll ask under this online test. And technical interview, they'll ask about this profile, streams, specializations, and most of the fundamentals related to the subjects, codings related questions they will ask in the technical interview. So once if it is clear, then the third interview level is managerial interview that asks about the experience, achievements, and college about, or they will give you one topic and they ask you to speak about that one. And finally, the HR round will speaks about the family background, your hobbies, weaknesses, strengths, as well as this packages with your expectations and your comfortable place, locations, etc. will be asked in this HR interview. So, if you have a dream of a good job or better placements, then what you need to do is your 5 steps ahead of that one. That is, first you need to register, select the test mode, and take the test, get a benchmark score with a validity of 2 years, and access for this unlimited job openings. So that is the TCS one. Okay, so who can apply for this TCS job is UG, PG, and diploma students in their pre-final and final years can also apply for this one. And freshers with less than 2 years of experience can also apply for this one. Once if we have got a good score, then what we have to do is we can apply for the companies that recognizes NQT score. NQT score that we have provided you. What are the companies that are approving this TCS NQT score is, that is TCS anyhow, the David Patterns company, UXD jobs related one, Jumpstart Ninja, Tata Electronics, Wishtree, Syconauts, Titan, Chroma, Mozambique, Equifax, and many more companies are recruiting this employees based on this NQT score. And the two important dates we should not forget, that is the test dates are 18th and 19th February 2021, and the registration will be closest from 10th February 2021. So thank you all of you. Please subscribe to our channel and watch more videos related to this job related questions. Thank you all of you once again.